Hello, friends. Today we will be talking about the problems being faced by the Indian economy. Like everything, Indian crises and problems also keeps on changing. Like initially, it was the COVID-19. After that, the problem came how to survive the middle class and lower class families. For that, social welfare departments pensions were given of 2000, and grains and other things pulses were also given to survive them. Then the problem was to correctly identify, means some things were done on that part, like DBT was a direct benefit transfer was taken into account, only the accounts linked with the Aadhaar, the transfer was then. But then a problem came in identifying, not in the transmission mechanism was good. The problem came in identifying because some not so marginalized and some from not so humble background also got the benefit of those transfers, and due to that leakages happened more than they should have happened. Like the amount was not spent on consumption rather than on saving, neither on discretion. So because of that, the economy further downgraded. uh, uh, Due to coronavirus, we had like a double digit impact on the GDP. After all that, the problem came of surviving those MSME industries and all. For that, government took many efforts. Government did many efforts, but now the current crisis being faced by the economy is the second wave of coronavirus. Like earlier, this time government is not that orthodox or to like this time they are kind of responding, not reacting like they earlier did by imposing those long curfews without making up a sound plan to to survive those MSME businesses and the people and those laborers and also. So there were many problems. This time they are doing a little better by responding rather than reacting. Now the problem which is being faced is how to implement lockdowns without affecting the businesses. Like earlier also businesses has there had been many points of how businesses were shut down, layoffs were done, employment gone. Due to that, consumption came down. Due to consumption, GDP was severely affected. So what could be done, and what are the alternatives to the government? Government can increase the vaccination going by the rate. Like right now some 21 lakh people are being vaccinated every day. If it increases to some 50 lakh, then by the next year they everyone will be vaccinated. Other than that, some states like Maharashtra, in some places they are coming up with weekend lockdowns. But how does it affect? It affects the discretionary spending of the public. Due to this discretionary spending, again the consumption takes a hit, employment takes a hit. Like it's a vicious circle. Once consumption comes down, the employment goes down. Due to that employment, the spending comes down, and due to that spending, consumption again comes down. So once it so we need what we need to do is we need to provide these people either with the employment or with the money to spend. And but the thing is not to provide that money to those who are not needing it. There is a Gini coefficient. What happens is, suppose if a rich is getting that, rich will be getting richer because there is a limit of how much a person can spend on some things. It's not like if he will be starting earning from 1 lakh to 10 lakh, he will start spending 9 lakh. Maybe his expenditure will increase, but in the less amount. So that's the problem which what economists are facing, what like country is facing, how to survive the lower by not letting others take benefit on their behalf. What could be done? Like earlier, a DBT will be done because just to stop the rich, government cannot let the poor die. So that can be done. And other than that, like this time they could be more careful while applying those lockdowns and come up with some creative ideas. So let's see how government will do it. I have told you about the barriers which are there for the economy to survive. Thank you, friends.